Welcome to Instant Cooking. To make best out of waste, today I am making watermelon peel longi. This is a sweet and sour sauce kind of dish. Very tasty, very interesting. For this, take watermelon, cut it. Take out the red portion of watermelon, which normally you eat, and this white portion of watermelon is the waste product. So we will use this waste product to make best. We don't use this green skin of watermelon. We will grate only white portion of watermelon and remove the skin of watermelon. So our grated watermelon pulp is ready. Now take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, spread oil all over the pan, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, let it crackle. Now add half a teaspoon of fennel seed, mix it and add our pulp or watermelon peel, whatever you want to say. Mix it well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili flake. Mix it again. Add half a teaspoon of sugar, salt to taste. Now add half a teaspoon of dry mango powder. Mix it well. Cook it for 2 minutes till the extra moisture evaporate, and after 2 minutes your best out of waste watermelon peel longi is ready. Thank you.